In this Mirion do-it-yourself video, we will show you how to replace the belt clip on the AccuRad-PRD. To begin, flip the AccuRad device so that the screen faces downward. Unlock the fastener by flipping it up and turn it counterclockwise 1/4 turn until the battery cover releases. Pull off the battery cover and hold it in your hand. With your other hand, slide the belt clip up toward the latch, releasing it from the battery cover. Take the new clip and line up the 2 tabs on the clip with the 2 grooves on the battery cover. Slide the clip down to secure it in place. Place the battery cover on the main unit and turn the fastener 1/4 turn clockwise to secure the cover back in place. Then lock the latch fastener. At this point, the belt clip is replaced and the AccuRad-PRD is ready to be powered on for use.